Yes, man.
You don't come from planet Earth.
If somebody showed me this when I was not as sensible as I am today, and tell me say we were once living in the oceans as mermaids, I wouldn't believe. I would not believe. You don't think me an idiot? I wouldn't believe that. But if they show me the video and tell me say that brother in a past life he was a pipe or a water truck, I more to believe that. True thing. The most me can do is spit out water with the inner my mouth. That's it. Just. But then man, I can channel the water from down in two, come up through in leg, from in his stomach, and spit it out at will. And I bet you wouldn't believe me telling you say we can do this too. In our sense. Yeah man, we can do it too. However, we cannot control it. And I usually when we sick, we do it. It's called vomiting.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
What me want to know is how much exam him use this to get out of. Because if you can willingly bring up back things, you know, just so. How much time you fake sickness, brother? That me want to know. And that's your true power lie. If you duck and dodge a couple of exam, imagine if somebody did have this back in idea. When you know you never study good for your exam and you just want a little more time, you know? Yeah man, just bring up back everything and miss me sick. What I am assuming is that for him to be able to do this, his stomach insides must have to be well clean. Because any little food in the mix, that the shirt they can put on back. I mean, after figuring out so you can do this, you must install like a little filtration system in your esophagus there to catch any little debris you ever come up. So pure water you get. Quite an interesting skill. But when we look on it, at the root of it all, in all the simplicity, and me alone a pre said the boss just washing his shirt with a belly full of spit water, and the crowd says, yeah! Thank you for your videos and video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is K2KShorts. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.